Practical, a mini vacuum for a car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this small dust buster is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. Perfect car cleaning tool. Cleaning gel is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards and other hard-to-reach spaces. Easy to use, push car cleaning gel into any little cracks, press car vent cleaner on and the dust would be carried away. You can also press the keyboard cleaner slightly on the keyboard surface and then pull it out slowly, the dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. Eco-friendly, this keyboard cleaner is made of cleaning gel and smells sweet with a light fragrance. The car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. Reusable, this auto car detailing cleaning gel can be used multiple times until the gel turns black. Please put the gel into the sealed box after use and store it in a cool, dry place. Do not use a car vent cleaner to wipe the cell phone screen or computer monitor. Multiple uses. The automotive dust cleaning gel can not only clean the car vents, dashboard vents, gear shifts, knobs, door handles, air vents, CD slots, cup holders, keyholes, but also the home and office, PC, computer, keyboard, printer, cell phone, calculator, TV remote and furniture. The suitable surface must be water resistant or the dust removal for the car would stick to it.